Under this machining process, 21st problem is they have asked us to find frequency of this operation. Here, these are the given data, right? They are given diameter of workpiece, they are given speed, that is 500 rpm, and one more thing, they are given high spots are formed at spacing of 30 degrees. High spots are formed at spacing of 30 degrees. We know that frequency is equal to number of high spots into RPS, that is revolution per second. But in the given question they have given n value in terms of RPM, so we have to convert RPM into RPS by dividing by 60. Okay. And one more thing, here they have given with respect to angle theta. First we have to find number of high spots. High spots per revolution is equal to 360 by 30 degrees, that is equal to 12 high spots. So number of high spots is 12. Okay. And substituting this number of spots in this formula, we are getting frequency is equal to 12 into 500 by 60, because 500 RPM is converted to RPS, that is revolution per second. So final answer we are getting 100 Hertz. Final answer is 100 Hertz. So you have to remember this formula. Okay. You have to remember this formula. Number of high spots into RPS for finding out frequency. Right. See, these kind of questions are very rare. Okay. There is less possibility of asking in GATE exam, but you should know all these things, right? Thank you.